Welcome back to Stuck on an Island, where I'm stuck with you guys and we're always smiling. Yo, we are still on the yard. This is our final day, yo, and I won't lie, it's bittersweet. Really bittersweet. But we have something really interesting planned in the near future. Jilly, how you feel?
I'm tired.
You're tired?
I want to sleep.
You just woke up, Jilly?
No, I didn't get enough sleep.
Jano, what's the experience like so far? Like, how
It's
you feel?
been excellent. I'm kind of sad that we're leaving today. I wish we could have had an extra day, but we can't.
Can't is a very strong word. But
can't today.
yeah,
Yeah,
isn't
today.
it? But there also still Mokko is going to chef up some breakfast and of course some classical tea. We go get some of that right now. Some tea, and it's like a whole lot of vibes, you see me? And then again, go to the river. For me, the river is like the most fascinating thing that's here for sure, you see me? Great entertainment. And hopefully we can get a look at the farm as well, innit?
Yeah, we have that farm.
Yeah, we go to the farm, pick some food and see what Mokko has been going on with up there.
Something.
Facts.
It's natural.
Tea in my cup.
See it there? You get a calabash
Yes.
cup.
Can't tell about that.
It's a cup of me and say, oh, can't put on, you know.
No,
You can't put it on, you have to hold that. You must
Until-
finish up.
No.
Huh?
If
Can
you don't
put
want
it-
to hold it in, put it over there.
Yes,
That-
No,
like,
I want to hold it though.
you want to hold it?
Yeah.
I want to
I
hold
give you
it.
solutions, just in case. Vibes. This is
Thank you so
chocolate
much,
tea.
Mokko, for this tea.
man.
See that
Oh my
on
God.
top of it, everything. Yeah, man, I'm Mokko strain it. They say, any badness, Mokko block that.
Yes, man. Straight.
Tastes good?
What?
I know. What are you tasting?
It's chocolate tea.
Mm-hmm.
Jamaican chocolate tea. And tastes like. Boy, I'm not telling like nice. It feels like childhood. My childhood days.
Back in that
Yeah,
time,
man. I
no?
used to go country and oh man.
Bring it back in our country.
Mhm.
I'm going to use the boat there.
Guys,
It's okay.
you need to try
Remember,
this
you
tea.
got, you know,
The festival,
festival.
yes,
then.
sir. That mean go ask so we can get them.
Yes, man.
Mash them down with this, alright, you know,
Yeah,
vibe.
man. See banana here too.
Yeah.
You can't come here hungry.
Can't come here so hungry. Food for life.
Yeah, because when I go here now, I go carry a hand of the same banana and then it's actually start to ripe already. So
Yeah.
by you reach by the other day, whatever you got.
Yeah,
right
banana, straight.
now. Yeah.
Mokko,
You.
I'm gonna need the next cup, you know. You know more?
Cup.
This tea. Where does make?
Well, chocolate tea.
Yeah.
It's so
Yes,
good.
man.
It's
Yeah,
so
man.
good.
One
I don't know what you think about it. You think I was being extra though?
No, literally, I thought you were being extra.
No.
Like I was just like, yeah, the tea
Yeah, this
tastes good,
extra,
but yeah,
no.
extra but thing.
No.
This a wicked
It
man thing, you
tastes-
know?
And I tell you, man.
You know,
And I
I
tell
feel
you, man.
like it's like my tech.
No,
Still
man.
laughing at
You want to
it.
know it,
It's
man?
so good.
Put some vanilla in there and rose water.
No, man.
So good.
Honest to God.
If
Alright,
you drop all some of the rose and
alright, let's be real. Most times you get like ital stuff, the sweetness is more on the mellow side. You see me? Like it more, it tastes healthy. This tastes like something where, you know, kids that just drink this and say this is
good.
nice and creamy and chocolatey. Rotted.
Yes, sir. More in there.
Boy, me I go on more. This nice, man.
Ah.
Nice.
You got to be drink, man. No, go back. When you go back.
Guys, nice sweetness from this.
Yes, and a
With
too
chocolatey.
sweet. Not, you know, just perfect. Can
Me, me never make chocolate tea taste yet.
If you want to know a bit nice,
This
you
guys.
put some vanilla. Vanilla.
You put vanilla in it.
I not put none in this, you know.
Oh.
But if you want to make it taste nicer, you drop some vanilla and rose water in it.
Jesus.
Put a little something.
No, this not need nothing to me, man.
Nice.
Mm-mm.
But you know when I put in it,
Whoa.
you know when me use it do? When I put in it, cinnamon leaf.
Yeah, them boil it with cinnamon leaf. You boil it with
Yeah,
cinnamon
boil
leaf,
the
yeah.
chocolate with
Look for
cinnamon
us,
leaf.
Guys.
yeah. Try cinnamon leaf.
Me I try to show them so they can probably try it, but boy, I'm sorry. This is nice.
Yeah, man. Some good direct that we drink
Oh
and take
my God. I would drink this every single morning.
Well, you got the chocolate we drink every morning, but after it done, you have to find back the mountain.
But there, so I wonder if that woman a chocolate are different than the one we buy in a store.
No, it tastes different. The one
No,
that you
them
buy
are
in the
natural.
supermarket don't nice.
Them are natural
Nice.
chocolate, brother. You know, hear the woman up there beat them yesterday.
Oh.
I beat them. I make them. Tum, 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 tum.
I
Yeah,
like.
but no, the supermarket don't taste the same. That's why I don't buy it.
That's why I wonder.
Tastes different.
This one that tastes way different, brother. What?
Them are chocolate where people pick up and then chew natural chocolate.
Pull out the pulp.
They don't have nothing to do to that, don't go pouring.
See, they're going back for more.
Yeah,
Round
man.
2. I'll leave
Round
some for you.
two.
That's yours.
It's really good.
I mean, I will tell the people
Oh.
when they don't come here,
Oh.
anyone who go cold and it cold,
Mhm.
chocolate tea.
Chocolate tea, nice man.
And the hottest thing, chocolate tea.
Jeez.
It and caramel porridge take the longest to cool.
Yeah, true, true.
Look how hot it is still. 16?
Mm-hmm. Hold on. Yeah, man. What?
This is really, really so good.
How does it feel drinking from your cup though?
Yeah, nice one. Patience cup that you know.
I want to know,
What's in my cup?
does it burn your hand?
No, it's not. No.
You know, nice.
What's in my cup stays in
My cup.
In my cup. Cheers. My cup. Hey!
You make Rasta. Can't tell me.
But me can't wait to jump in the water.
Nice, yeah. Some beer, man.
Wow. It take long to make them, man? It took long?
No, we not took no long.
Not take long.
You know, send go get pies and get pies. So
And do them.
parts and big. No matter.
Wow, them taste really good. Mokko make some for me all ago.
Yeah.
It's really good. Thank you.
All right, God bless you.
You too. Bye. Wow.
But then what's the man? Then what's the panic?
So if people buy from them and not pay them as much
As much as like where you then pay them all then sitting there.
Eh?
That's why I mean I like with some people. You see I told people up there.
Yeah, the car for make that chocolate they're hard, you know, man.
Yeah, man. And the thing is, whenever time you come back and you tell them, man, I go start it up, man. But that man not tell you, man, the people are going to help them. When you see man, I pound them,
Yeah.
and you put it up online, people will heal if we give them all that money. Give all that money if we give them people.
I got it to help them, man, because
Yeah, man.
when I go up and see them, I say, two old people, them like, that are them livelihood.
Yeah, man.
Trust me.
What I say, one of them will come in a supermarket, they mass produce one of them.
It don't taste the same. Taste.
No, I see that because
Yeah,
I've
yeah.
made them on my video already and that tastes way different than...
The one we drink this morning
Yeah,
was like
this one
off
now
the chain.
wicked, brother.
This is how it all started.
Vibes.
Yeah.
And lady them up over so. Right.
Now I can find
Yeah, deal with it wicked. Alright guys, so Ratty say, I'm gonna go show you the chocolate tree.
Buggy, you come to?
Let's go, Buggy. Yo, this is what I find as really great experiences, guys, cause you'd walk past these things or see them and not even really know what them be. I mean, I know what a chocolate tree looks like, but yo, just to see the process and see the end result, cause that chocolate tea this morning was freaking next level, yo.
You thought I was being extra.
No, I literally in my head, cause honestly, when people try the food, sometimes it's like, yo, no, it's like, yo, please, like, don't be extra. But like,
Oh no, me done extra.
When you were drinking, I was just like, yo, let me try this. And I was blown away. Guys, you might not know, but I'm a very harsh critic. I'm a really harsh critic. So if you hear me say, oh, something nice, try to say it nice. Alright. Bruh, I thought we'd be like walking like...
Welcome to the Catholic farm.
Ah, let me see one, yeah.
Yes, the one there.
That one there starting to spoil. You guys can see it right there. The tip brown. Wow. This is epic, man. It ripe?
Yep.
Turn that on.
So once it yellow, it's good.
Why you see it? I'm balanced with it on.
Be careful.
Yep.
So that means, say, Mokko was saying some persons when mass produce it, them give you like the one that kind of green.
Yeah, so that's why the
rush it.
flavor different.
The flavor
one,
different, yeah.
I give you this one. That green one.
The green one. Ah.
Right one.
So me, I learned something. Thank you, Ratty. So that's the green one there.
Yes, that's not tricky.
Ah. That's why, because in truth, like this one, the sweetness of it's strong.
If you know, when you taste the pulp, what it tastes,
That was
it's
sweet and
yeah.
nice, yeah. Jeez. Guys, this is, you know what?
Also one more.
Another one. Yeah, so those are not like a deep orange. Don't pick it, Ratty. Think you ready?
No,
Make it say, alright. Yeah, so you learn every time. So like even me, just experiencing this one, I know that this one is really ripe because like a deep orange.
Yep.
And you look at this one, it's like you can still see the green. So I know it's not fully ripe as yet. So
Grandpa like them like this.
you like it like that one there?
Yeah, so when you cut it, you like it. Like
Ah,
Oh, look, a piggy.
a pig?
Oh, look. Yeah, next.
A fire! Guys, I think I'm gonna be working on something especially to help those females up there. Like I felt kind of touched with everything, so stay tuned for it. I won't tell you exactly what's going to happen, but whenever you guys see it, I hope you guys support that movement. And yeah, I think it's gonna be a good idea. A very good idea. I think so too.
Where's the phone?
You got it.
Oh.
And we are about to check out Ras Mokko's farm. You see me? I think it's something that you should always have pride in. I know Mokko Pro them farm.
You have to then look at something there.
Yeah.
And good fish spraying and spraying, you know.
That
That's it, no, that's what I've got to do. Yeah.
mm,
Spraying. And spraying and you do it down to this time. It's work.
I think I'll take some of that for real.
Yeah, man.
No, that's good.
Yeah, my ankle.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's better than any Voltaren.
Oh yeah, for real.
Ooh, that Grandpa.
I gotta check out what I go on for Mokko farm now. Ah, the blessed herb.
The healing of the nation.
Healing of the nation.
Yeah. Yeah, the healing of the nation, brother.
Chano.
Boy.
Where are the copy? There. Our vibes.
Yeah.
So I suck at them there.
Yeah.
Aye.
Whoa, Grandpa.
What you say? Work that going on when you're sick?
Yeah, man, I mean, never feel so right,
Yeah.
never healthy, skinny, maga. Yeah.
Look what Grandpa have here, some cassava.
It's cassava, me have
And
that.
it's beer in already. Look,
Yeah, man.
there it
I got the high grade, and mommy want to plant.
is. Guys, Grandpa cassava is growing in the ground already. He just drop the stick.
Yeah, no, me just drop it in the ground, you know.
And then after these run down there, get big, and then after, you know,
That's
ready.
the deal. So I don't plant, me really plant it.
You just drop it there.
And it do your thing.
I just do it
Grandpa have
thing.
some big one downstairs as well. But Grandpa don't want this one. I mean, see my family, You're gone already. I'm here, come back again. Go again, go again. See that bill come up and say no. Yep.
So Mokko, them ground and them not hard to maintain. You one, you know, for
We've already seen it.
plow the land and make sure so everybody get water.
Come on, me hold it far.
Why, love me and my partner, right?
You're not doing my casada.
No.
Let me hold it far then.
No, they're going to park.
This man is a strong man, you know, cause
Yeah, man, all of them places, yeah. When they come back here, everything clean out, you know.
yeah.
Chop down, you know.
So you do it by your own?
Yes, man. See all up here, sir?
We have some yams.
After you yam a plant, me a plant up at a young part here. Yeah, then we eat them trees that we burn up here now, man. Yeah, them trees that don't be plant. Some of them herbs that we used to.
We got some yam right here.
You got to see them out there, sir? You got some of them to plant.
So if you guys are like me, probably saying the same thing, like, you know, we've seen this kind of video quite often, you know, the farm tour, whatever the case is. Yeah, because I've seen it popped up quite a couple of times. But yo, once you come down to Ras Mokko, he is going to want you to, you know, experience the farm, you know. And he asked me to just come down here and just film it. And then the thing about the farm is that, yo, it always changes. Like, it's not the same. The last time I was here, maybe like a year and a quarter ago, like, now that I'm here, things are different. Like, it seems like there's more land that has been cleared out and stuff. And it's just impressive, yo. Just to see how much work him put into the farm. And it's a slow farming process where come on to fertilizer and everything, them don't use that. Just natural process. And I guess you guys have seen, like, Ratty, how he's developed more into a better farmer. See there? This guy's like what? Ratty's like 8? 8 years old, man. Young Mr. Brian. Doing his thing. It's crazy, bro.
And then yeah.
What's up?
Not
going too bad.
Not going too bad. Well, watch this now, what you going to do now. You are going to plant pumpkin in there.
Ratted.
No.
No, what you're planting?
You are going to put the pumpkin in.
Okay. So this is going to be my pumpkin. So we'll
That
come
are
back.
going to-
Yeah.
Yeah, that is just your pumpkin.
You hear that pumpkin? Bomba! That's style, potato. That's style, potato.
Yes, and this
Look,
now,
I make a bridge over there.
it a got beer. All different type of pumpkin. It a got beer white, it a got beer black, it a got beer by plant green.
So what do I put the...
Just fold it.
Just fold it up?
Yeah, man.
Oh, in the news. Okay.
Yeah, that white a got beer all type of pumpkin.
And then just drop it in the hole?
Yeah, put it in a hole now. And cover it with the dirt. Yep.
That's it?
Yeah,
Time to
man.
grow, sir?
Yeah, man.
Is it?
Yeah, man.
So you have water?
No water from the earth.
Yeah, because look, the tamarind trees there, the water doesn't run off the tamarind trees like that.
I know that
So
alone.
where you
I
plant the
go-
next one?
The next of them I plant anyway here.
Come on, look, I plant a pet also.
That's you not have nothing for me, you know, see? And you take the lot. Oh, you make it look so easy, I know. That hole okay?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I go plant that next one. You see when that start to run up down in the bed, I know not normal, you know, man.
Shoot.
And that me I curious. Pumpkin of fuck. Because April in plant it, you know.
So how long it takes to grow?
Well, all December also.
Paper down.
Yeah.
Come on, wanna do? Look here. A place
Me know
pumpkin
ex-
there.
Yeah, man, me know exactly when it a come.
It's a drive to see when they grow, don't
Yeah, what? I know how far she come from and come plant them. I mean, I know so them are going to be a car. Them are going to run out the whole down in them place here. And you're going to even see people that them on video and me and say, oh.
See it there?
And the Empress come from so far come plant them.
That's right.
See one plant, see one pear here. I want white one plant it, you know. See time when they plant the pear. I call him Lisa from America. Lisa pear tree and Lisa plant. Now you plant the plant.
Vibes. Yeah, when you're walking through here, kind of, because I don't know all the plants. I was trying not to step on nothing.
Go right out. Yeah, man, go right out.
Right
Right
out.
on that road there.
Yeah, we go there.
I feel away. So strong.
Woo!
Yeah, left it, that's alright. Left it there. Left it there. Left it there. Make it look clean up the road.
Ganga ng Soai.
This is the pumpkin where you eat last night, not the soup.
Oh, same a ratty plant.
Yeah, that's the pumpkin seed and that. That's the pumpkin plant. Just pull it and drop it in. About 3 days time it up, you know, brother.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, man.
Guys, we're ready for some Soai. Woo! Guys, Soai time. Alright. Then we can't find no more ripe one.
Some of us are not ripe on alone.
You know? Oh, you know that nothing was to them.
Careful.
Yup. Guys, catch them.
It can't push it, you know. Beat them off.
You know, sometimes out here on these like, journeys, you notice different stuff. And the thing that I'm noticing right now is how Ratty is working alongside his grandfather from a very young age. Understand? And it's important for many reasons because for one, a lot of cultures and traditions are lost because grandparents don't have the opportunity to pass it down to their grandchildren, right? And nothing is wrong with a child wanting to aspire to something different. You see me? But it's just good to see how they grow so close in it and, you know, the helping hand that he's getting. And as far as I'm concerned, like, he thoroughly enjoys this. It's not something that Mokko have to ask him to do. He's willing and he wants to do it. So I'd be blessed if in the next 20 years when I come back down here and we see this man have a big old farm for himself, you see me? I produce, whole heap I produce. What is going on here?
I carry my orange one.
That's what I got me say to Jilly, say if you want to put them in my bag. Jilly is like, no, so country people carry them.
Nobody go bush and put them in a bag. No, so them carry them.
Yeah, man.
You don't know about country life, you know?
So,
I notice.
nothing wrong with that. Nothing wrong.
You have to learn it.
Yeah.
Me learning.
Pumpkin ready?
Yo.
The pumpkin?
No, I said if you're ready to see some more. Woo. 3, 2, 1.
You know what's funny? This kind of matches your outfit. Yep. Vibes. You said this is sour, right? Yeah, that's what you call cut nature. Huh? Oh yeah, yeah man. What? It's stripping. Yeah. Good job, right? Go in the water, man. You tell me this about how people don't like water nasty. See you there? Look at you.
Over here. Like I show you guys, I can walk on the floor.
One go. One go. Wet him up, Ratty. Wet him up, Ratty. Yep. Yeah, Ratty's a lot more expert than I am. And this pool is his size. So I'm just gonna drop right in. You think I'm gonna do it like yesterday when my friend were going? No, fam. Woo!
No problem.
Watch your head.
Look, guys.
Like a cheer.
Oh no. So cool. Don't move. It's coming up. Don't move. I'm gonna dive down and get some stone, guys. Guys, I'm running out of stone. I'm running out of rock. Last one.
It's being forced to
To help Ratty
build a pool.
build a pool. Let's do it.
What are you gonna
So when
do?
you guys come to Ras Mokko's poolside, you know what I'm
Still did that. That's right.
You just saw me Steven Phillips
I'm sorry.
on the video. That's so weird, bro.
Sorry, bro. I use a government name. I'm sorry. Go, Steven. I'm sorry. Go, Ibby.
You're wrong for that. You're wrong.
Right there, yeah, where Ratchet is.
Oh, so we can bring it higher,
Right.
and then we can have the exit when it go higher.
Right.
Alright, free guys, see? So you see part of them when you see water like an escape out of, this you're trying to plug. So you get more, you see me, vibes.
He's really getting into this one.
So at this part of the video, Jilly was saying some really cool stuff about me. But if you notice in my videos, I tend to feature others more than myself. You guys have the chance to see through my lens and to feel the emotions that maybe I've been feeling at that moment. And in this moment, I saw a small child building his big dream. And what was really cool was that he was in no way, shape, or form limited or restricted in this dream. He was allowed to do it, to build his pool at the back of his yard. Now, there's a lot that you can learn from many people you interact with every day, but even specifically from children. Children in their minds, they're very imaginative and they have little or no restrictions on the things that they think. For us as adults, every dream we have, we immediately think, oh, this is impossible because of that. But with a child, the only thing that they think about is achieving this dream. Every single time I stop to film a short segment on my Instagram to show you guys, Ratty kept saying to me, keep working. Now, that teaches me one thing. It doesn't matter how much you grow or how many dreams you've achieved, keep working. Keep chasing that other dream. And make sure that no matter how old you get, don't let your thinking stop you from your dream, and keep working. Ratty, come here.
Yep.
For allowing me to work today. Come here, man.
What?
For your work today.
Yeah.
Na lassie.
No.
Alright guys, so we just settled off our bills and everything like that. Once you're here, you pay for the food as well. So like dinners is ranging between 800, breakfast is about 600, give or take, or whatever. You don't know. Also, you know, leave money to clean the rooms, whatever the case is. Do whatever you so choose to do. But that's a little bit of enlightenment. So that's not included inside of the Airbnb cost. So mind that. And yeah, we're about to leave this place. You see me? Let's go tell Mokko bye. Mokko, thanks again for the vibes, you know, man.
Yes, no man.
Enough appreciation and ratify. Your tour guide service, I met me a billion pool with him.
My Mokko.
Yes, that's all.
Thanks for having me. I had a good time.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. She said you're gonna miss you, Mokko.
Yeah, man.
I am.
You see, by as you go, you see if you left them here?
I'll get enough things.
Yeah, you see
Guys.
if you get left them here?
Turmeric.
Them here? With them ripe one there? In 3 days time, everything ripe.
Everything ripe. Oh, really?
Yeah, yeah. And the ripe stuff, you know.
How you feel?
I feel sad. Like, I feel sad bad. I don't want to go home.
Well, you know we have to go off to another adventure, like we have other places to go to.
But I still feel sad. For real, I mean, I'm here, but I pack up my stuff and I feel broken. Like, do we have to go? Leaving here? Or
Don't cry. Don't cry, Vin, don't cry. Yo, anyway, yeah. I guess I'm not as sad. Last time I was a little bit more sad, but no, not so much because, you know, like, Ras Mokko is always here. You see me? If you want to check out this cool place, have a whole vibe, yo, you guys know where it's at. I'll drop the link in the description box so that you can find Ras Mokko. And I mean, he's not that hard to find, guys. You see me? You'll get the same emotions like we did. Cool guy. I'm not just saying that to say that. The man really is a cool person. And yeah, like I said, we have more adventures to go on. So if you guys want to see more Jilly in the videos, just drop it in the comments.
comment, guys.
Yeah, and
I'll be back.
yeah, we'll see about that. But remember, see things, love, nature, and adaptation. And always remember, Keep the link. A fire! What? Ratty. No make no yo, me here. Say girl make you dig up, yeah me no. No make no girl take your money.
What?
No make no girl take your money. Don't make no girl boops you. Alright, we are left for this up.